Welcome to the daily message for this 29th Sunday in an ordinary time. Today, my reflection will focus on the first reading for this Sunday's liturgy, which comes from the book of the prophet Isaiah. And there are a couple things that strike me about this particular reading that make it, I think, pretty significant in the history of the Jewish people and also speaks to us today. So in the first verse of this reading, it says, "Thus says the Lord to his anointed, Cyrus." That word anointed has deep significance because usually God's anointed one was either a priest or a prophet, and most certainly was an Israelite or a Jew. Cyrus was the king of Persia. Cyrus was the man whose armies defeated the Babylonians, freed the Jews, and allowed them to return to their homeland. And the way Isaiah interpreted this is that the Lord had anointed Cyrus, had made him, in effect, his Messiah, his God's agent to save God's chosen people. And so that's a really poignant word there to say that the Lord has anointed King Cyrus. It says further on down in the reading, "I have called you by your name." Again, he's referring to Cyrus, giving you a title, "though you knew me not." What this says is that God is able to direct the course of history, whether those to whom he gives direction know him or not. What this says to me is that we always need to be humble and to listen for the signs of God's presence and God's will in our lives. We never know where they're going to come from. We never know when they're going to come to us. But if we keep a humble heart and a faithful heart and listen to the voice of God, we will indeed hear it, and we will keep ourselves in line and in tune with the will of God for us in this world. Thank you for watching once again. I hope you have a safe, a healthy, and a restful Sunday.